Oasis, the girls and I are getting ready for our 3rd annual Baking for the Vision. This year you can order Oreo eggs, peanut butter eggs, coconut cream almond joy eggs, cookie dough eggs, chocolate covered pretzel rods, and chocolate covered toffee. Vision offering is this Sunday, so stop by the information center tonight to place your order. The candy is only $4 a bag and it's a great way to support the Vision.
Oasis family, we're in the Vision offering season, and guess what? It's back by popular demand, the Vision concert. If you were here last year, you know it was so much fun. We had artists from right here within the Oasis family and friends of the Oasis house that came, and when I tell you they brought it, they brought it. But guess what? This year, we're going even further over the top than that because we've got some special guests coming that just wanted to be a part of this night. Realize this, family, all the proceeds from this concert go toward the Oasis Vision effort. So check it out. Friday, March 26th, right here on this stage, we are going to have so much fun, music, energy, action, and even some spiritual undertones because this is a house that loves worship. So Oasis family, we really want you here, and we want you to invite people and bring them. So check this out, Friday, March 26th, right here in the Oasis Sanctuary. The tickets are gonna be $10 at the door, but if you go outside immediately after the service, you can purchase them today for $5. Now, where can you get a show this good for $5? Only at the Oasis. That's why we want you to go and get your advance tickets. It's gonna be so much fun, and we'll see you there.